Owesilisa waseGugulethu oneminyaka elinganiselwe ama-30 ngeke adalulwe igama kuze kuba ubekwa amacala ngokusemthethweni.
We arrested a man in his 30s, and we link him currently to a rape case, and that's why he's appearing in the Good Magistrate Court. But we're also investigating murders in and around the peninsula, and specifically also including, and that's just specific, but including the murders or the bodies that we found in the Century City area.
Zatholakala kule ndawo isidumbu zabesifazane eziyisithupha ziyinqunu esikhathini esingangonyaka. Kwakhishwa umehlo kaboni wezinkulungwane ezingama-50 zamarandi 50,000 kunoma ngabe ubani ongaba nolwazi olungasiza amaphoyisa ekubopheni umsolwa. Okwamanje amaphoyisa amsola ngecala lokudlwengula nokho anethemba lokuthi azothola okunye okubambekayo.
The investigation led us to this person for the rape case. It's an old rape case where a woman got away, and we just follow up all these cases, and we made contact with her, and he was identified by the victim. Furthermore, with the murders, we are busy waiting for our DNA results and also the post-mortem results, and that will give us a further indication where we will go.
Icala lihlehliselwe isonto elizayo.